Machines in your factory are an essential part of your production process, and making sure they are functioning well when you need them will assure a profitable operation. However, the traditional paper-based management of thousands of machines can be extremely time-consuming and hide possibilities for savings. Now, imagine having the ability to uncover countless opportunities to reduce downtime, limit breakdowns, and shorten your changeover time. Introducing LTmechanic, a part of the LTmechanic manufacturing execution system designed to enable paperless tracking of machine maintenance, repair schedules, managing changeovers while giving you deep insights with analytics visualization. With the built-in maintenance calendar and checklists, managing maintenance schedules has never been easier. In addition, keeping up with preventative maintenance gives you all the confidence that all machines are primed for production. In a breakdown, real-time reporting through the mobile app enables the line leaders to report a problem, upload a photo, and alert your mechanics immediately, ensuring quick resolution and minimum downtime. The Changeover Assist feature further facilitates the planning and preparation process of your machine readiness so that your machines are ready when you need them, all while monitoring each step of the process on a real-time dashboard and storing metrics for further analytics. Ultimately, LTmechanic streamlines machine health management, thus saving your time, capital, and maximizing performance. According to studies, within 4 to 6 months of implementation, clients uncovered an average of $12,000 worth of monthly value while reducing breakdown time by an average of 61%. And now you can too. Check out our website to see how LTmechanic can improve your machine life today.